don't miss this. Hey, welcome back to the garage. Today, I'm going to be... What am I going to be doing today? I'm going to try to do some final engine bay prep. I did get some enamel paint, white, that I'm going to use, but I want to try to cut off the sway bar brackets, just scuff the radiator support, paint that, and then get everything all primed in, and then hopefully get a coat of the enamel paint on it. But we'll see where we're at. Let's get started. All right, I'm in the engine bay. That's what I want to remove. You'll see that there's these spot welds, about 3 on each side of this. So I'm going to try to drill those out, and yeah, it looks like there's more underneath too. So, got a lot of drilling to do. Maybe I could just cut it off or something at some point. I don't know. But this is doubled up, so that's going to be a problem. Alright, we'll see what we can do. Pretty late in the day. I don't really want to mess around with the grinder, but I'm going to do this tomorrow. For now, I'm just going to sand all this that I had previously done. Maybe I'll spray it today. I'm not sure, because I don't really want to open the garage door either. I'm going to hit this with a little 150 grit. Put you guys up here. Okay, I'm gonna try to throw some paint down. Fresh battery, so I'm gonna open up the garage door. It's really late, so I'm gonna try to do this quick because so many mosquitoes, a lot of mosquitoes. Yeah, so I actually also sanded these again, but I figured I'd spare you since you already saw that in another episode. But here we go. You can see my sanding marks in this. I don't know what kind of paint this is, but it's really like holding them tight. But I'm gonna end up resanding this anyway before we paint it. But you can get an idea of, for some reason you can see like the striations in this. This particular paint just did not mix really well. And yeah, I got some dust in it, but whatever. But that came out, it's one color. It's not the same color. Yeah, so I'm gonna continue this tomorrow. I'm gonna put a layer of, I'm gonna put another skim coat on those. And then, because I gotta fill these holes up, I punched through from the other side, knocked out some of my really bad weld. I'm gonna go to sleep now and do this in the morning. See you later. It's a couple days later. I'm not gonna be able to get to the grinder. I'm just completely exhausted today. I spent pretty much all day getting the Mustangs. Well, they've been registered, so I had to just make sure that they're ready for just get them ready to be inspected, fill them up with gas and everything. So after doing all that and everything else, I'm just kind of exhausted today. So I'm going to put a skim coat of glazing putty on these two. Probably going to just call it quits there for today. And then we'll do the rest in another video. Close left. Just like to fill those holes. Didn't really need to do this much, but yeah. Alright, so we'll let that dry and then we'll sand it again. pretty smooth. Started spraying this in. This is like one-ish coat. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. I've gotta clean up around here. This garage is becoming such a shit sty.